Hi guys, welcome back to your favorite YouTube channel, FinTech with Team Bees. I hope you're making cool cash over there. If this is your first time visiting this channel, I would appreciate if you could subscribe to this channel and tap the notification bell so that YouTube can alert you once new video drops. Warm welcome to our returning subscribers and viewers. I hope you have a great time watching today's video. Stay tuned.
Yeah, hello guys, welcome back. Today I will be showing you how you can create a crypto wallet address on TrustWallet or MetaMask. So it's simply the same procedure. So you can apply the same procedure on either MetaMask, TrustWallet, and other wallets that are available. So for the course of this tutorial, I'm going to be using TrustWallet. So I'm going to be using TrustWallet, just as you can see here. So click on TrustWallet. If you don't have a TrustWallet, uh, I'm going to drop the link in the description button so you can download from Play Store and install. So click on TrustWallet. So unlock. So right now I want to create a new Trust Wallet address. So you are going to click on this plus sign at the top here. You can see the plus sign at the top here. So click on it. So what can you see here? You can see create new wallet or add existing wallet. So you click on create new wallet. So it's asking you that back up the secret phrase. So you have to protect your assets by backing up your seed phrase now. So it's asking you, are you going to back up manually or you want to back up to Google Drive? So you can either select either of the two. So in for the course of this tutorial, I'm going to select back up manually. So right now, as you can see, this secret phrase is the master key to your wallet. So that means if anyone else managed to get access to your secret phrase, that means your asset is gone. It's gone. You don't have control over your asset again. So just like someone having an asset to your debit card or your credit card or having a login password to your bank account. So just imagine the risks you've put yourself. So that is just the same thing in this case. So Trust Wallet does not keep a copy of your secret phrase. So once you lose it, it has gone finally. You can't regain your wallet again. So you have to keep it very safe. So you click on that. Saving this digitally in plain text is not recommended. Examples include screenshots, text files, or emailing yourself. So they are advising that you should write it down somewhere. So click on it, you understand. So all right, the last one, write down your secret phrase and store it in a secure offline location. So that's the advice. Store it in a secure offline location. So you've understood that. So you click on continue. You click on continue down here. So as you can see right now, this should not be visible to anyone. So it should be your secret phrase. So as you can see right now, I've blurred this secret phrase because it's my personal belongings. So it should not be public. Do you get? So if it is public, anybody anywhere in the world that is watching this video, if this secret phrase is not blurred, anybody can access my wallet from wherever they are. Do you get what I mean right now? So just make sure you write down all the secret phrase. You can also copy to clipboard so that you can paste it in wherever you want to paste it, whether it's in your notepad or your Google Drive or wherever you want to paste it. But just make sure you write all of this down. So let me pause the video so that I can write it down. So now that I have written it down, so you click on continue. You're going to click on continue just as you have here. So click on continue. So clicking on continue. So you click on continue, and then so it's asking you, please tap on the correct answer of the below seed phrases. So they want you to confirm that you have actually written it down and kept your secret phrase safe. So what is the word number one? Confirm. It is rotate. What is the word number four? It is verb. What is the word number seven? You select whatsoever the word number seven is, so you can proceed. So, and what is your word number 10? So, you might not be able to see all this that I'm choosing. I've blurred it for security purpose. So, and you know why you are creating your own too. It should be secretive. So don't expose your secret phrase to anyone. So you click on confirm. So right now, you are now a bona fide owner of our Trust Wallet address, as you can see. So you can now click on start using Trust Wallet. So right now, this is your wallet. I hope you enjoyed this video. Kindly give this video a thumbs up, and if you've not yet subscribed, kindly subscribe to this channel for more videos. Thank you so much. Until next time.